In this video, I will show you how to check if a website page is fully secure in Chrome browser, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. How to know if a website page is secure. First thing first, I'm going to use Chrome browser. Open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. This allows you to create a new tab. Now, for instance, if I want to visit a particular website and I want to be sure if the site is secure, go ahead and type in the site name right here. So I'm going to go ahead and simply visit Nairaland. Okay, hit on search. Now, this is a website page right here. So I'm interested in this particular website, nairaland.com. Okay, now I've already launched into the URL of this particular website. Now, in some cases, there are some sites that are not fully secure, that they want to get data about your activities on the internet. But if you are using Chrome browser, Chrome gives you a site control that allows you to check if a particular website is fully secure before you go ahead and continue to browse on that particular website. So how can you identify that? Go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for site control. Under the site control, you have connection right here, which is fully secure. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have a report detail right here. So just like what you see right here, Chrome verified that WE1 issued this website is certificate. Certificate information. Your connection to Nairaland.com is encrypted using a modern Shifra suite. The connection used is this blah blah blah. And likewise, you can go ahead and click on what do this mean. So go ahead and click on that. And it's going to reload and take you to Google articles right here. Go ahead and read on these articles. If you are using Android phone, this is for Android phone. So under the site control secure, info is not secure, that is it. You have something like this. If a site is not secure, if it's not secure or dangerous, you are going to get a kind of symbol like this. Okay, this is what you get if a site is not secure, and this is what you get if a site is fully dangerous ahead. This is for Android version. You can go ahead and click on for iPhone version and read the details about site security on your Chrome browser. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Chrome browser and Chrome security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.